Okay, when Bolshevik government or the CPR government was formed, they had done certain reforms in the government. So let us see reforms of Bolshevik government. Okay, after that, civil war took place between reds, greens and white. What was that? We'll see it afterwards. But let us see first what Bolshevik government did. The industries and banks were nationalized, land was declared as social property, and peasants were allowed to seize the land from clergy and nobility. So these were the demands, or the April thesis. If you remember, Lenin had demanded that the industries and banks should be nationalized. He did this. He executed his plan in this way. Land was declared a social property. Land should be given to the peasants. He also demanded this. So he brought into action whatever his ideas were. So land was declared as a social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land from clergy and nobility. Designed new uniforms for the Soviet military. New military was formed. Soviet military. Soviet means workers and soldiers and peasants. Their military was formed. So he designed a new uniform for them. And he also made peace with Germany and withdrew from World War I. This was the main cause of the revolution. Okay, so he made peace and he with Germany and he withdrew from World War I. So these were the reforms done by the Bolshevik government when they came into form. Now let us see who are these greens and reds, greens and whites. Reds were Bolsheviks and greens and whites. Greens were the jihadist Muslims and Christians who were considered into minor categories. And whites were the pro-Tsarist. Pro-Tsarist means people who supported Tsars, conservatives, Mensheviks. They come under this white category. So what happened? So these greens and whites, they were controlled. They controlled most of the Russian Empire and they were also supported by France, USA and UK. France, USA, UK, these were the capitalist countries. They were not communist countries. They were capitalist countries. So they supported these capitalist groups, greens and whites. They fought civil war against the government. Which government was there? Reds government was there. Bolshevik government was there. They fought a civil war against that and it had an effect of killings, lootings and banditry. Supporters of private property such as whites, they took harsh steps with peasants, okay, who seized lands. Peasants who seized lands under the government of Bolsheviks, these whites and greens, they took harsh steps against them, and so these whites and greens, they gained hatred. People started hating them. Finally, with the support of non-Russian nationalists and Muslims, Bolsheviks were able to form Soviet Russian. What is the Soviet Russian? USSR, Union of Soviet Social Republic, in December 1922. This USSR was formed in December 1922, and after that, Vladimir Lenin, the leader of these Bolsheviks, he died, and this government was handed over to Joseph Stalin.